YY Global Teen Hero India 2021 is
Today, teens are not only smart, they are technopreneurs, entrepreneurs, social activists, and health activists. I am very grateful that Glocal Private Limited Nepal and YY has initiated this 5 years ago to recognize the teens of South Asia. And we had the privilege to host it last 3 years, just like Sangram said it. First was in Guwahati, and we had a wonderful person who were called Moneshwar, and today he is leading a research in Harvard University on artificial intelligence. Last year, we couldn't have a physical program, though we tried to. And he was also a famous social activist, and he has been leading in various youth programs of United Nations, Mr. Kabir, based in Mumbai, and he is also doing wonderful work. And today, we are gathered here to, recognize and honor the Local Teen Hero 2021. Therefore, I'd like to welcome all of you to today's program. First of all, I welcome the teens who have made it to come to Pune and to become part of this event. I am also grateful to their parents who have also accompanied them and encouraged them. I welcome all of you for this third edition of Glocal Teen Hero Award.
Teenagers, 13 to 19 years old, who are doing something impactful, they should be recognized, they should be promoted, they should be taken ahead into their journey so that they can achieve more. These teenagers inspire other teenagers so that they start doing these amazing things as well. And these amazing things are not rocket sciences. These are as simple as teaching other young people. It is as simple as providing the skills that I have to somebody else. We started Glocal Teen Hero in 2015. Kazul had mentioned it earlier. In 2015, Glocal as a company was also initiated in Nepal. And at that moment, we were all teenagers in our company, and all of us were trying to put forward our works, our voices. We started with a media company called Glocal Khabar. And the one thing that it used to do, we closed it because the other media, big media houses started talking about young people, and that was the whole motive of doing it. We started talking about young people. When we were starting to talk about young people, it gives two things, as I mentioned earlier. One, it motivates that young person to do more. Second, it motivates other people to get inspiration from these young people. Glocal Teen Hero, as it initiated from within, we have been continuing it, and we are trying to take it way far, where we are trying to bring all these young people, all these teenagers together with one motive, so that these teenagers together can design a lot of amazing things in the days to come. We have already teenagers who have been working, like teenagers in Nepal, India, Bangladesh. They have started business together. They have been doing things together. They have been researching together. They have been meeting time and again in different countries and trying to bring new things. And that's the achievement which Glocal Teen Hero is looking for as a platform. And at the end, what I would like to say is this is just a platform. This is just a stage. We're not giving any cash prizes. There is no car, no bike, nothing. We don't give anything. Literally nothing. The only thing that we give is this platform. Is this place where you can talk about your thoughts. The place where in every month you will be connected to our headquarters in Kathmandu. Every teenagers who are in India will have 18 teenagers who have been awarded with top 6 since last 3 years, including today. In Nepal, 111, in Sri Lanka, 12. All of these are contacted every month to see their progress, to see are they working similarly or taking ahead something. Do they need some help? Do they need some connection? And then that is the moment when we come to you people who are sitting in this hall and people like others to help them grow, to help them lead a lot of amazing things that they are doing. Without taking much of time, and again thanks UIDA, all the jury members, friends from media, YY, UTED, for taking your time, taking your efforts to make this happen, bring it to India, bring it to Pune. Pune is the city of CUIDA, and thanks for hosting us very nicely. Thank you so much.
We started this Global Teen Hero platform in Nepal in 2015. We started with a very small scale, though we had a reach all around Nepal, but then we started with a vision that, there are a lot of teenagers who've been working, and it just been bounded with the four walls of their houses or their schools or colleges, and there's a global stir with the teenagers that they've been doing. They're doing exceptional work. Over the years, from 2015 to 2021, I have encountered so many teenagers who have done so many good works. That makes me remind what was I doing in my teenager. This platform is all about encouraging them. It's all about motivating them. It's all about letting them share their stories, their initiation. So be it from any field. So Global Teen Hero does not confide to, it is not confined about, okay, this sector or that sector, this work has to be done. Everything about Global Teen Hero is a teenager, he or she has to be a teenager, should be a citizen of that particular country, and then has to have done some work, has to have done something impactful, be it even a 1% work that they have done, be it a 1% change that they have created. So it's about these teenagers, those teenagers, and we have a number of teenagers. By this platform, we want to give them an opportunity where they can share about themselves, their work, they network, and then they grow. So it's just a little push to our teenagers where they can explore more. Also, I would like to thank CYDA here and YY, because YY has been with us in Nepal, and collaboratively we have come to India as well since 2019. We started in India and they have been with us. So I think it's a collaborative effort, and I really appreciate everyone's contribution and support here, and also all the audience present here. So thank you everyone for joining here, and congratulations to all the teenagers, whoever have applied and whoever will win. Every one of you are a winner, and you have proved that you can do something. So keep doing it.
It's a great honor for our group to be associated with Global Teen Hero. And whenever I've interacted with Ashish or Kajol, I've always encouraged them that they must spread the wings as much possible as they can. YY is a brand that's grown out of Nepal, and we are in 50 countries now. We manufacture 3 billion packets a year. And even in India, we are number 2 now. And especially in East and Northeast, we are by far the market leaders. So which means that even though you have giants as your competitors, it's the passion, perseverance, and dedication that makes a brand. So similarly, when I look at the various boys and girls here who must have given in their best shot to probably secure the winning spot, I've always lived by one quote: losing is not when you fall down, it's when you refuse to get up. So if you go by the logic of self-motivation, which is what has driven me and has made me what I am today, I must say that's a magic that does to people. You cannot let failures bog you down. I'm so happy that Ashish and Kajol, they are also making the country proud. So wherever they go, we go. And that's the level of zeal and enthusiasm I personally share in terms of keeping the youth and teenagers high up in their momentum. for us, selecting out of I think 173 odd applicants, bogging it down to 6 and finally a winner, that itself is such a Herculean task. So the platform which Ashish talked about, that is something which everybody needs. Everybody needs a platform. Everybody needs that place, that showcase where he can or she can propel. And this is exactly what they've done. And for a brand like YY, which was built by the teenagers, and I want to congratulate the winners. I want to congratulate all the people who've been associated with this, and let me reaffirm that my group, we will continue to be a part of this initiative, and I hope at some point they cover the whole world.
I must congratulate YY and CYDA for arranging this program. I must express my gratitude to Matthew Matham, Varun Chaudhary, Ujjwal Chaudhary, Ashish Thakur, Kajol, and my colleague Rajesh Warlekar, Ujjwal Kumar Chaudhary. And मला असं वाटतं की या मुलांना प्रॉपरली चॅनलाइज करण्याचं काम जे पॅरेंट्सनी करायला पाहिजे आहे, तर तसं काम आपल्या आपापल्या घरांमधून खरोखर होतं का, हा एक बेसिक प्रश्न माझ्यासमोर आहे. कारण घरातून आपण त्या मुलांचं जे इंटेलेक्ट आपल्याला समजतं की ते ह्या YY संस्थेचं पण तेच म्हणणं आहे की त्यांनी मुलांना त्यांच्यामध्ये जे एक्स्ट्रा गुण आहेत, म्हणजे ही मुलं इतकी इंटेलेक्च्युअल असतात की ते त्यांचा अभ्यास पण करतात आणि अभ्यासाच्या पलीकडे जाऊन त्यांच्यामध्ये जे काही गुण असतात ते गुण YYने बरोबर पकडलेले आहेत. त्यांनी त्या मुलांना जी संधी उपलब्ध होत नाही ती संधी उपलब्ध करून देण्याचं काम ह्या YY संस्थेने केलेलं आहे आणि त्याला सपोर्ट केलेला आहे CYDAने. खरोखर म्हणजे हे अतिशय चांगलं काम, समाजोपयोगी काम ह्यांनी सुरू केलेलं आहे. आणि मुलींना तर आजकाल इवन आपल्या इंडियाची परिस्थिती जर आपण बघितली तर अतिशय गंभीर आहे की मुलींच्या बाबतीत सुरक्षितता अजिबात नाही आहे. दिवसेंदिवस असुरक्षिततेचा आलेख आहे तो वाढत चाललेला आहे. अशा वेळेला मुलींना स्वसंरक्षणासाठी हे सगळं शिकवणं किती गरजेचं आहे हे त्यांनी ह्या टीनेजर्सच्या परफॉर्मन्समधून दाखवून दिलेलं आहे. त्याचं खरं म्हणजे सगळ्यांनी त्याची नोंद घेतली पाहिजे. मला जी मुलं काहीतरी एक्स्ट्रा करून दाखवतात त्या मुलांच्याबद्दल असं असतं की त्यांना काहीतरी सांगायचं असतं आणि तेच नेमकं ऐकलं जात नाही. म्हणजे त्यांना असं वाटतं की आपण जे काही करतो अभ्यासाव्यतिरिक्त आपण जे काही करतो त्याच्यामध्ये कुणी इंटरफेरन्स कुणाचा झाला नाही पाहिजे, हस्तक्षेप कुणी करता कामा नये असं त्यांना वाटलं पाहिजे मुलांना. पण नेमकं ते होत नाही. म्हणून ह्या अशा प्रकारच्या ज्या संस्था असतात त्या संस्था गरजेच्याच आहेत आजकालच्या ह्या युगामध्ये. आणि ते जर त्या पद्धतीने जर काम झालं तर काय होईल, इट विल हेल्प क्रिएटिव्हिटी, युनिकनेस इन दॅम अँड ऑथेंटिसिटी. तर त्यामुळे आणि जर हे सगळं आपण त्यांना दिलं नाही तर काय होईल, पुन्हा तेच होईल की चिल्ड्रन विल स्टिक टू स्क्रीन, मे इट बी द TV screen or may it be the mobile screen.
I believe 2% of noodles of the world, 3%. 3% मतलब अगर 100 आदमी ने नूडल खाया है तो 3 ने YY खाया दुनिया भर में. And it started from Nepal and now has become a global brand. For such a brand to come and fund and finance and support and encourage and motivate, obviously the fabulous thought was of Ashish. He started it, and he started it just out of college, or perhaps he was still in the college. So from there, a major corporate and CG Group. YY belongs to Chaudhary Group, which is the only dollar billionaire from Nepal. So they supporting it and taking it now to several countries, as you can see. I mean, India, Sri Lanka already done, Bangladesh being planned, and a few others, as Ashish has said. Today I was talking to 6 finalists, one by one. Someone is running, we have these very well-to-do schools doing this thing. बच्चों को ले जाते हैं ना, वो क्या कहते हैं, चलो आज रेडियो स्टेशन देखते हैं, चलो आज म्यूजियम देखते हैं, चलो आज कुछ ऐसा देखते हैं, घुमाने ले जाते हैं. So उसके लिए एक बड़ा फंड होता है, ये होता है. This girl, one of the finalists, started doing that with village kids, जिनको ले जाने वाला कोई नहीं है. And he started, and a large number of kids she has taken around that way. Then she started teaching these kids small things, small workshops. होली के रंग बनाने से लेकर छोटी छोटी चीजें, है ना, and initiative and teaching them, जो तुमने स्कूल में पढ़ा उसको एक्सपीरियंस कैसे करोगे, एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग, तजुर्बे की शिक्षा. Someone created similar training at a little elder kids, like little elder guys, and create that umpteen treasures उनका organization बनाया. So youth or teenagers or children have umpteen treasures within them. How do you find that? And series of work on them. Someone coming out with with a sensor that can sense if a biker is drunk or not, so that it discourages the biker to actually to get drunk and driven को रोक सके. Then there are several. Someone is experimenting with music. One of the kids is experimenting with music and apply classical music को young छोटे बच्चों के लेवल में लाके कैसे उनके लाइफ के साथ जोड़ सकते हैं, उसका एक एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रही है. She is a musician. Someone is doing some other activities. So these are the IoT concept. एक जन ने IoT use किया, Internet of Things, in the experiment that he is doing or she is doing. Fabulous activities these people are doing. So there are several types of backgrounds of youngsters that we are seeing. I have been seeing in Nepal, the best of the colleges come forward कि हम आपके finalists, जो 20 finalists उनको हम concession 50% concession में admission करेंगे higher education के लिए, अगर वो हमारे यहाँ लेते हैं. I'm sure it will happen here also and in other many countries as well. So it is important to recognize the power, imagination, creativity, teamwork, leadership skill, problem solving skills of the teenagers, and that is the mission of Global Teen Hero. I'm proud as an academic to be a part of the jury.
May I congratulate Global Hero Foundation and YY for doing such wonderful job, but of course not forgetting my CYDA. I'll make it very short, but I will not be doing justice to what CYDA has been doing. I mean, I want guests from all over to know. They've been facilitating vaccines. They've lessened tragedies where migrant workers were concerned. They would reunite them with the families. I personally know each and every move that CYDA has made. And different fields, they teach martial arts, maths, music, create urban slum communities by starting 800 micro businesses, building networks for women entrepreneurs. That is fantastic. CYDA and youth aid are synonymous with evolutions. Guys, I mean, I do congratulate YY and the Global Hero for this initiative, because you see, as Sangram says, we never had, I mean, for them at least they had something, but during my days, I mean, kids are not to be even seen around. So we were that bad, Sangram. You had that, at least no talking, yes. But we were that bad. But we played a lot. We enjoyed ourselves. We were very, very active. That's the reason why today, even at this age, I can stand up and talk to you. Thank you. My good wishes to all the teen heroes, and I wish the best will win.
I would start with Global. Thank you so much for this platform to recognize teenagers, and I truly, truly feel for this. Thank you so much, Ashish Thakur sir. Thank you so much, Kajol ma'am. Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am, for coordinating. This all feels amazing, and I want to start with where it all started. It all started by my father, who started questioning about education, and that's how it came to me, and I started questioning too. So I was organizing this workshop with girls in this village called Basaha. I would say her name was Archana, who was talking to me about how she was studying, how her parents, worked really hard for her education, and how she was living with her 3 sisters and 1 brother. And I was taking a stitching class, and while we were doing this measurements, and we had to divide 10 by 2, and she was like, I can't do this, and she was in the 11th grade. So that really got me thinking. I was a self-directed learner by then, that she's in the 11th grade, and she cannot, kind of divide 10 by 2. And it was nothing wrong with her. I think it was just the problem that she was not understanding what she was doing. She was not taking it in passionately, or maybe she was not made to do it. So that's how it all started. And I think that's how I started with my father. I started organizing educational field trips for children. I started being with children, taking them out to different places so that they understand, take in things more practically, so that they know what they're learning, so that they know passionately what they're learning, and at the end of the day, passionately they pursue their skills, and somehow or other they're employable to the society. So that's how it all started. I want to thank YY, the sponsors. I want to thank CYDA for the initiation, the endless work, and I can see all of this coming together. This is very, very overwhelming. So thank you so much, everyone, for being here and listening to me and awarding this to me. I want to also thank my brother, Ansh, who has been with these projects, who has been with me in these projects. I want to thank my mother for being a constant source of inspiration for me, and of course my dad, who has taken the unwanted steps. I mean, he took the risk of not sending me and my brother to school, fighting with the family, and that to do what is right. He had to fight with the society to say that I want to do for my kids what is right and not what the society thinks is right. So thank you, Papa. I think this is for you.